Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section, and the question that we will be discussing of is of quadratic equation and roots. Okay. So what we'll be doing is that we'll take a question, look at the question from particular algebra, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same. So that whenever we come across the question such as this, we are easily able to adapt to the approach of the same as well. Okay. Having said that, this sort of questions are quite common in exams like GRE, GMAT, particularly MBA based entrances. So it's quite commonly asked and quite widely asked questions as well. Okay. So we'll take a look at the same, we'll try and understand the approach and subsequently solve the same as well. Okay, so having said all of that, let us just focus on the question at hand. A root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, is 5 plus root 3, 3 root 3. What is the value of a square plus b square plus c square by a plus b plus c? Okay, let's take a look. So we have the equation as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and one of the roots, one root is 5 plus 3 root 3. So we know roots are actually given as b square, oh sorry, b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. Okay, so this is how we find out the roots. That is, if the roots are generally more or less identical. So if one of the roots is positive, so therefore other root will be negative. Okay, so if one root is, therefore other root will be 5 minus 3 root 3. Okay, because this plus minus dynamic has to be maintained in this regards. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now we'll go with sum of roots, that is 5 plus 3 root 3 plus 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to minus b by a. Okay, this gets cancelled, so b will be equal to nothing but minus 10a. Okay, and product of roots can be written as 5 plus 3 root 3 into 5 minus 3 root 3 equal to c by a. So 5 square minus 3 root 3, that would be 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 and 27 equal to c by a, or c equal to minus twice a. Okay, so therefore a square plus b square plus c square by a plus b plus c can be given as a square, b is minus 10a, so 10a, that would be plus 100 a square, plus c is minus 2a, so 4a square by a plus b plus c, so minus 12 plus 1 minus 11a. Okay, so this would be 105a by 11. Okay, so this will be our value, and basically we cannot actually find a value because we don't know what the value of a is. Okay, there is a minus as well. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you, as in the approach was the same as well. So in case you have any doubt, just go through the same. I don't think you'll face much of an issue in this regard. Okay, having said that, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, so with all that said and done, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. Having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.